Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Another macro that I've showed off before, but the gentleman who creates this, Eskimo, sent me an email today and text me or sent me an email and told me how to make it better. So we're going to start this, and you start it. So we can have uh, select that, and I want the dimension, and the dimension is 7.62 by 7.62. And then like I want this one. But then also you could put a bounding box around the stars and the dimension. And like I want to know what size that is. So I've got a bounding box. And this, whenever you use something like this, to me it would be more for being a laser engraver. If you had a piece of wood and you wanted to make sure that star is going to fit on there, and there might be let's say there's a knot hole right there in the wood and you want to make sure you miss it, you could use these bounding boxes to leave your laser door open and turn on your red dot pointer if you have one, or and it'll trace that line. And then that way you can also trace that line, but you'll know that that's not in there. But Eskimo gave me a little tip, so I'm going to do one more. So let's see how big that text is. It's, that size, that size. So you have all these things and you've measured them, and you don't want to print that. So you can go right here to miscellaneous and you can delete all the triangles, or you can delete all the text, or you could do both at one time. Once you're satisfied with what you got, you can delete. Well, it did. Maybe because I did those separately. Um, but it did that time. Anyway, so under miscellaneous, I've used these a few times, but I'm more often just trying to show off this macro that's pretty powerful. And I will leave, if you have never seen this before, I'll leave a link to this macro um, at the bottom of the video. And it's really easy to install and really easy to use. All you have to do is go to start, and you could have, the text in the center, at the bottom. Let's say you want it further away, so you go like a negative 0.75. And then when you select that and create it, now the text is further away and not on that line. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.